going YouTube? So right now I'm on my way to a new spot. It's in my area. Shout out to Charlie. I hope I'm saying that right. He came to the last event and he's local to where I'm at, and he told me where he be racing at. I mean testing. So Benji's over there. We got a few of the guys coming out. Hopefully it's a good day. So far it's nice out. It's about 62 in December. You got to take it as it is in New England. So anyway, y'all stay tuned. Hey guys, we out here, made it to the spot with my boy Omar. Omar Carlos, Omar, Benji. Got the our good friend came out. Benji said he gonna pull this out on the RS4 right here. Let's see what it do. Woo! The mad scientist. That thing running though, I ain't gonna lie. What's that, a 116 scale, right, E-Revo?
Yeah. Battery's dead, I just got a project.
Run that out of the drag strip, we wanna see what it's doing. He said, any 116, holla at him. Yeah, we setting up, trying to get it right. We about to set up the GTS, y'all.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You must have turned it more down, huh?
Turned it too much.
Yeah, what you doing? Benji on foam tires, you trying to see what this thing do, what it got in it.
Oh, the battery's gone.
Yeah, I think battery. Got Charlie out here, shout out to him. Well, this is the front, the back's still drying, so we just came out to the front for now. What, you put foams on there? Foam tire? That's 3S right there. He didn't break the beam, so we couldn't see it. Stop. Huh? That shit hitting for stop. Yeah, back flipping in the big end. Alright, y'all, got the XC down. See what it do. Benji got his Typhoon out. Let's see what it do.
Yeah, Bobby.
Topped out on that big end. Three 0?
2-4.
Alright, y'all, me and Benji about to get it. Benji on 6S. He might be on 8. You never know with Benji. I'm on 4S. I'm gonna put it on 6, but my 6S batteries is garbage. Gotta get new ones. I've been topped out. Mid-track, I was topped out. The rear wheel drive or something? Let's see what we ran.
Yeah, Benji.
Huh? 2419. This shit, Benji.
Not sure if it's 38.
You good? You deep stage right now. It's a nice tick. Only 4S, Benji.
You want me to run for us? I'll run for it.
Yeah, bring it. Bring it. Yeah, she doing good. She doing good. I'm proud. I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I know you happy.
Hey, I got the aluminum.
It's good, right? I gotta get one. I can't run my car anyway. I'm gonna run these shits. RS4 is next. 4S, y'all. See what this thing's doing. Which one you bringing out? Which one you want to smoke with?
Huh? I'm gonna smoke you with this one.
Bring it. 2-2. 2-2 on 4S. 2-2 on 4S on your ass, Benji.
2-3.
Bring it. Bring it. I ran a 2-2 on 4S, baby. Yeah. Oh, shit. Let's do it. I had a better takeoff than you, but you was running though. You was running nice and straight too. Nice run. 2-6, 2-2. Yeah, that's nice. 2-6. I'm happy. I'm on a 2-2 with some old beat up ass foams. Look at them. None. If I even had new phones, I would have been on a 2-0.
I got some GPs for you.
Don't worry about that shit. I'm just happy to see this car back out here though. For real, the shit was down. There ain't even a motor that go in there, but it's in there. All right, y'all. Benji is on 2S on foams. I'm on 4S still. Let's see. Yeah. I know you picked up some speed right there because you started to catch me in the big end. 2-6 at 62. All right, y'all. We got my boy Omar out here. Tell him what you represent, Omar.
Omar RC.
Omar RC. Check out his YouTube channel too. Subscribe to my boy. I'm gonna drop the link up in one. All right, then we got Carlos. Carlos, what you representing, Carlos?
Yeah, Bobby. I'm broken.
Car broken. Benji, what you represent, Benji?
Sinister RC.
Sinister RC. I know what's up. This fellas, we be out here. This the local. We local to you. Well, not Benji. Benji came from an hour and a half away to race with us. Then we got my boy Charlie. What's your name, bro? Jay. We out here testing this tuning with Jay and Charlie, man. Shout out to Charlie, put us onto this spot. All right, me and Benji back at it again.
Yeah.
2-2, 2-6. All right, so we got rubber tires over there. We got foams over here, both on 2S.
And I got my rubbing on the body.
No, we don't want to hear all that. We don't want to hear that. Oh, he still took it. Oh, nice run, fellas. Nice run. That was a nice run. Listen, and them rubber tires heat up hotter than them damn foams do. So he got you on that bike.
Go.
I got y'all.
I go forward.
Yeah, keep pushing it. Don't be afraid. Don't worry about that.
No.
Let's say it's off.
You on the beam?
Yep, he sure is. Back at it.
Ready?
Uh-huh. You hear the body rub Benji talking about? Had to be Benji, huh? Oh, he took you too. He beat you. Benji hit, and you know why he beat you too? I'm gonna tell you why, because you hit the tree in his direction, so he broke that, you broke that laser. Yeah, that was a good race. So you ran a 275 at 248 miles an hour. And Benji ran a 25. Yep. It was Benji. What was that? Rubber tires and foam. Oh, it's a good race. This shit goes straight. Nah, my man shit is smoking the phones, bro. You didn't see that?
Hey.
Of course, he spun out. But you... Nah, his shit is really smoking fire. Look at my boy Johnny. Johnny made it out here.
These fucking plugs.
Just put his Typhon together. Woo, that was a nice pass. Nice driving. Told you, Omar.
Damn, that thing's going down that line.
Nice run, Omar. He got foams, but you did good. Nice run.
Anybody has a controller?
Woo. Around to that thing, man. Nice run.
This one's going back again.
Badass right there, that thing. Sick detail. You sent that out to get it done? Got rubber tires on the right side and foam tires on the left. Nice, hell of a save, hell of a save. Hell of a... Benji getting it together. He got a spaceship over there. Yo, we about to line up. Y'all stay put. Oh, I'm crooked.
Me too.
Damn, I just stripped my damn thing out.
Hey, smell it?
You smell it? What we ran, Papa? Only reason I beat Benji because he couldn't stay straight. He damn sure faster than me. 2-0, right? Yep. Consistently. She ran a 2-3. He was all over the place. That's the only reason I beat you.
Do it again.
You heard him? Let's do it again.
Do it again.
Do it again. Get it. And he red lighted. This motherfucker running with that track star motor, huh? Oh, what we ran? You pressed back. Caught it late. Nice pass.
¿Cuánto?
2-3. Yeah, we could do that.
Just that too.
Do
You
that.
mess with the steering? Because that thing was freaking going.
Yeah. He got you, Benji. He got you. Ready, set, go. Ooh, he got you, Omar. He got you. Look, Carlos didn't even know he won. Yeah, hella nice takeoff with that, all that torque. See how you corrected that better?
Yeah, I know. You like it.
He about to turn it to the gas station. He way.
So I was watching the kid. You know that strip?
Hey, you had that tattoo in.
All over. Even my face. Yeah. Everywhere.
Next pass.
Yeah, man, that shit doing good, especially for this battery. Yeah, he wildin'. She running. Nice, Johnny. You crazy fuck. And I ain't nearly mashed the brake just now because I was paying attention to his car. Oh, Benji said he wants some smoke. Benji said he wants something. He said something to me. I ain't hear him though. What'd he say? Oh, all right. I thought I heard something.
Huh?
I thought I heard something. We could do it now. Watch out, Johnny. Don't even worry about the DTS. Don't worry about it. All right, y'all. Okay, that looking nice, Johnny. Looking nice. We got Benji over here with the 6S Typhoon. You want to pull your shit up over there too? Yeah. Pull up. Got with the 6S. You got 6S in yours?
Yeah.
6S. Got 6S on the XC, 2 Italian.
Get up in this.
Oh, hold on, we got one more coming up in there. Yeah, I got a Italian over there. The XC about to fuck armor up, you heard? Yeah, you ready, Baba?
Yeah.
All right.
Man, we need somebody down there. Call it.
Nah, don't worry. You're gonna see the gap.
He said he's gonna see the gap.
Oh. Hold up. All right, guys, we going to the 1, 2, 3, the third tree. And we got all 8 scales here. Only, not armor is the XC. Let's see what she do. Y'all ready? Set, go. Ooh, caught you the big end, Johnny.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that was a good race. Johnny definitely had me off the light. What happened to you? What was going on over there, bro? What was you doing? You was all over the place. Gotta come out the hole like that on us. Get your... Oh, you was trying to hit? Oh, okay. Now let me know when y'all ready.
Ready.
Hold on. You gotta say ready, say go. He just said he ready. My man ready, he ain't fucking around. Y'all ready? Set, go. Ooh, Benji definitely smoked us. Yeah, Benji definitely smoked us. I was trying to, oh, what's that? My tire came on? My battery came out. Ready, set, go. Johnny! Ready, set, go. Woo! That was a hell of a run, yo.